Hello everyone. So in this lesson, we are going to learn question 3 of May October 2023 P1. So here we can first read and understand the question. So the question is talking about, in this question, you must show all stages of your working. A solution relying on calculator technology are not acceptable. So you're not supposed to use the calculator, but still for verification, we can use calculator. And then also write 8 minus root 15 to root 3 plus 5, and in the form of a root 3 plus b root 5, where a and b are in the form of are to be found. So we need to find the value of a and b. So first, without solving, we can just take out our answer with the help of a calculator, and then we can see, okay, so whether what is our expected answer, and then based on that we can work out on our solution. So first, let's take the calculator. Yes, so here let's type it down in the calculator. So what's our question, which is going to be, let me type it down here. Yes, so first you can type it down, which is 8 minus, okay, first we'll take it the double, okay, 8 minus square root of 15, and then divided by 2 root 3 plus root 5. So, okay, my bad. Second, I think I typed it wrong. This should be a space and plus root 5. Okay, so if you type it down, so you'll get our value of a will be clearly, that is minus 2 root 5. So you can write minus 2 root 5 and 3 root 3. Okay, so that's what we obtained our answer in the calculator. You can see root 3 is with a and then minus 2 root 5. So we got our a value is what, 3, and b value is negative 2. Okay, so we need to obtain this. Okay, so let's do the steps for each of the following question here. Okay, so solution. So how to obtain that? Okay, so a value we got it, and then without any further delay, so we can start the question. So without wasting the time, let's do this. Solution: 8 minus root 15 upon 2 root 3 plus root 5. So here, first step, you need to do rationalizing. So what is a rationalizing? So just you have to write 2 root 3 minus root 5, and then here there is 2 root 3 minus root 5. So first rationalizing, so, and then the rationalizing the numerator and denominator. Don't forget to put the parenthesis on the everything. Okay, if you don't put parenthesis, your answer is going to be wrong. Okay, so let's solve the numerator, and before that we can solve the denominator. So if you type it down this in the calculator, or we can just multiply it manually, which is going to be 2 root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. So this will be multiplied, so upon we will get this, or you can type it out in the calculator directly, we will get it. Okay, so now we can multiply each one of the variable with the other, right? So you can either do smiley method, yes. So I don't want to make it much mesh. Okay, so you can look at it. 8 times 2 is 16 root 3. Okay, and then next we have 8 minus 8 root 5, and then we can write root 15 is we can write it as, if you take 15, 3 5 is a 15, 3 times 5 is 15, so you can write 15 as root 3 and root 5. So here I can write 2 root 3 multiplied with root 15. I need to multiply this, so root 15 I will write it as root 3 multiplied with root 5. and then minus times minus is going to be plus, and then again I'm going to write root 15 as root 3 root 5 and then multiplied with root 5. I hope it is very clear, the steps. Yep. And then now, so let's simplify this further. Yes. So the denominator, okay, that would be, so this would be 2 times 2 is 4. 4 root 2 into root 3 is going to be 3. Okay, so 4 multiplied with root 3, because 2 times 2 is 4 and root 3 times root 3 is 3, and then square root will get cancelled, minus 5. Okay, now so 16 root 3 minus 8 root 5, and then this will be root 3 times root 3 is going to be 3. So then I can write 2 times 3 is going to be 6 root 5, and here root 5 times root 5 is going to be 5, and then I can write plus 5 root 3. I hope it is very clear and easy, right? So now this is going to be 4 times 3 is 12, so 12 minus 5, and I can solve this by adding these two. So 16 plus 5 is going to be 21 root 3, and then minus 8 plus 6 is 14 root 5. So further I can write it as 21 root 3 minus 14 root 5 upon 12 minus 5 is 7. So if I rewrite this, I'll get it 21 root 3 by 7 minus 14 root 5 by 7, that we can further rewrite it as 21 is 3 root 3 minus 2 root 5. So this will be our answer for part A. Our A value, this if we compare with A root 3 minus plus B root 5, our A value is going to be 3, and our B value is going to be negative 2. So therefore we can plug our A. Okay, so for our answer A, our integers are what? A is equal to 3 and B is equal to negative 2. So that is what we got it from the calculator also. Okay, now next question. Okay, so I can just take out this part and then okay. For part A is very clear. If you guys want to take a screenshot, please take it down. So, and then also I'll erase this part so that you can be very clear of what I have written it. Yes. Okay, if you have any doubts, okay, you can just WhatsApp me, pinging this question. I'll help you. All right, coming to the next question. The next question is, okay, so hence or otherwise. So whenever there is a word hence, we have to use the part A answer. So what was our part A answer? So our part A answer was 2 root 3, okay, 3 root 3 plus, part A answer was 3 root 3 minus 2 root 5. Okay, so this will be equivalent to 8 minus root 15 upon 2 root 3 plus root 5. So we need to use these answers, answer for the question. So wherever you see this equivalent value, we need to replace it now. Okay, let's do this question. So first, let me write down the question for part B. Okay, so for part B, the solution, which is going to be, so first let me write down x plus 5 root 3, and root 5, which is equal to 40 minus 2x root 3. All right. Now coming to the next part. So just we need to multiply it. So which will be x root 5 plus x 5 root 3 root 5, which is equal to 40 minus 2 root x root 3. And then here I can replace this with and then I can bring this here. I can take it to the other side. So x root 5 plus 2x root 3, which is equal to 40 minus 5. Okay, root 3 times root 5, I can write it as root 15. Now finally, okay, I can take x common here, root 5 plus 2 root 3, which is equal to 40 minus 5 root 15. Now I can write it as x is equivalent to 40 minus 5 root 15 divided by 15 plus 2 root 3. Okay, so 5. Okay, 5 plus root 5 plus 2 root 3. So this is this I can, if I take 5 common, if I divide it with 5, right? So 5 common, I can get, so 8 minus root 15 upon 2 root 3 plus root 5. So which is same as the answer above. Okay, so you can see which is same. So I can replace with that with the given question. So I can rewrite this as 5 multiplied with what I can write in the place of 8 minus root 15 divided by 2 root 3 plus root 5 can be replaced as root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 2 root 5. This can be further solved. 5 times 3 is 15 root 3 minus 15 times 2 is 5 times 2 is 10 root 5. Okay, so 10 root 5. So this would be our answer for part A. Part B, so what will be our answer? 15 root 3 minus 10 root 5. Okay, so you can just take a screenshot of this question and we'll see you in the next question. Hope you have understood. Thank you.